Coinbase Error 422, or unprocessable entity, means Coinbase's servers can't process your request due to invalid data, incomplete info, or validation issues. It's often related to KYC, Know Your Customer verification, where you prove your identity to comply with regulations. Think of it as a security gate, triggered by things like mismatched details, unsupported documents, or even network hiccups. Error 422 in Coinbase usually arises during account creation, ID verification, withdrawals, deposits, or API interactions. One common cause is incorrect personal details entered during account setup. Another cause is expired or low-quality ID documents that don't meet verification standards. Unsupported file formats for uploaded documents can also trigger this error. An unstable internet connection can cause timeouts during the process. Your account being flagged by Coinbase's automated systems for suspicious activity. As of 2025, Coinbase uses AI to validate documents, so even minor errors can trigger a 422 error. First, double-check all your entered personal information: name, address, date of birth, etc. Ensure it matches exactly what's on your government-issued ID. Even a small typo can cause a mismatch and trigger error 422. Review your profile in Coinbase and correct any discrepancies immediately. For Coinbase Error 422, ensure your ID document is valid and non-expired, issued by a government like a passport or driver's license. The photo must be clear and well lit, showing the entire document without obstructions. Avoid glare or shadows that could cause rejection. Coinbase recommends re-uploading through their mobile app to reduce browser caching or quality issues. When filling out forms on Coinbase, pay close attention to any error messages displayed in real time. These messages highlight specific fields with invalid inputs, like incorrect social security numbers or unsupported file types. Make sure to fill out all mandatory fields and adhere to the format requirements, such as proper email address format. Clear any existing errors before submitting. If you're using Coinbase's API and encountering 422 errors, carefully examine your request headers and JSON payload. Ensure you're including a valid API key, adhering to OAuth 2.0 standards, and formatting your data correctly. Refer to Coinbase's API documentation for specifics on required fields and data types. Timestamp formatting is a common culprit, so verify it's correct. If you've tried the above steps and are still facing error 422, it's time to contact Coinbase support. Be prepared to provide details about the issue, screenshots of error messages, and any relevant account information. Keep in mind that support queues may be long due to increased user volume. Check Coinbase's dedicated troubleshooting page first, as it may offer specific guidance for your situation. Coinbase is actively working to reduce Error 422 incidents through several key innovations. First, enhanced AI-driven validation systems are improving the accuracy of identity checks, reducing false positives and making verifications more reliable. Second, mobile app optimizations are being prioritized as mobile crypto adoption grows. These improvements make verifications smoother and less prone to desktop-related issues. Third, Coinbase is exploring blockchain-based self-sovereign identity solutions. These allow users to manage their own identity data securely, potentially cutting KYC errors significantly and giving users more control over their information. These innovations aim to streamline KYC processes and minimize user friction. However, in the meantime, following best practices for accurate data entry and document submission remains crucial to avoid Error 422.